Hi guys, it's me Owen. We're playing a new game. It's a Gorilla Tag thing. It's a Gorilla Tag ripoff. The month was that's my birthday. Yeah, we gotta fake it. This is a new game. We're going on a public lobby, guys, because this one I cannot. Try not to get closed out. Hello. No. I don't know why people say this. Hello. I'm a YouTuber. Jeez. I'm a YouTuber. Stop doing that. I don't want to get demonetized. Okay. Jeez. I just joined a public lobby, guys. God. Stop! I'm trying to play normally. I'm not trying to do that. I don't know if we will ever play this game again. We might have to stick to Capuchin. Because this game is annoying as shit. I'm a YouTuber, stop it! I'm trying to make a video! Stop it, Jesus Christ. I'm trying to make a video. Leave me be. They're just doing it for attention. You're not gonna be in the video. Shit. Guys, should we make it private? how you do it. I'm pretty dumb. Hi. Hi. Ah, fuck! What I did? Look, you're not gonna be in the video. Jesus Christ, my people always want to be finished. Guys, we might even go to privates next time. Next time we won't go in public. Stop! Jesus Christ! Yeah, what that feels like. Stop! Try to fucking make a video like they cannot fucking see it. When they cannot see it, you keep doing that. I'm trying to play this over, guys. Oh shit, oh shit. Guys, we're doing it now. Look, guys, on the 13th, we're not gonna play fan games anymore. So this is the one time you guys gonna see me. It's dumb. No. I wanna go private. It's only me. Guys, we cannot play in public. For some reason, when I join these fan games of Gorilla Tag, there's always no people talking most of the time. This is why I don't like fan games. I'm sorry if the person who made this is watching the video right now. Your game is pretty dumb. It's just another Gorilla Tag clone. Sorry if you guys seen the poop. In this video, we're just gonna chug around this map, and then, guys, I might just stick with Capuchin while I'm waiting to be unbanned. Because I don't know why you guys want to watch me play these the buffs. Doesn't even look good. It does look good other than Gorilla Tag or Capuchin, but suck ass. If you elf watching this, do not get this game. We'll see how we're gonna play Gorilla Tag while we're waiting to play two games. VR chat, or we're gonna be playing Capuchin. If you don't have Capuchin off, just play it. We're just gonna play old-fashioned VR chat. So guys, I'm done with this poo in the face. Come on. Oh, you get it, poo in the fish. Bye guys. See you tomorrow. See you in the next video.